Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to create this really cool glowing blur green text effect in Affinity. So let's jump right into it. First thing first, I'm going to add a background. So I head over to Pixel and click New Fill Layer. And there it is, a fill layer added to the canvas. Now I want to change the color. So with the fill layer selected, I'll go over to the color panel and change it to black. Now instead of just a plain solid background, it actually looks way better with a little noise in there. So on the color panel, I'll click this little icon right here, the opacity icon, to switch over to noise. Then slide it up until I'm happy with it. Something like this works great. Alright, next up, I'll grab the artistic text tool. Click and drag on the canvas and type in ideas. Now let's change the font to something nice and bold. Increase the size, align it to center, switch the color to white, and move it right to the center. After that, with the text still selected, I'll head down to the bottom of the Layers panel and click Filters. Then choose Field Blur. You'll notice a handle appears on the canvas right on the center. You can actually add more handles, but let me walk you through the settings first. So the global radius slider controls the overall blur intensity across the whole text. Slide it up, more blur. Slide it down, less blur. Then I've got the selected handle level, which controls how much blur is applied at each specific handle. And the selected handle power controls the extent of that blur transition area. So now I'll go ahead and start adding another handle. Then I can go to selected handle level to adjust and also change the selected handle power. Add another one here and adjust. Then I'll add a handle on the right side of the text, make the adjustment, and then add another one right here. Also, I can move handles around. And if I want to remove a handle, I'll just hit delete on my keyboard. Just play around, have fun with it, and match it to your design. Now let's add a little noise to the text. I'll select the text, click Filters again, and select Add Noise. Then increase the intensity. That's looking great. Next, I can add a color to the text. I'll select the text, head to Adjustments at the bottom of the Layers panel, click it, and select Recolor. I can then adjust the hue, saturation, and lightness to get the color I like. Just keep in mind that the Recolor adjustment tends to apply color mostly to the edges of the text, which can actually look really cool as a style. But if you want to change the fill color of the text instead, I can change it from here. I'll hide the Recolor adjustment, then I'll make sure the text is selected, and I'll click right here. You can go with a single solid color, or switch over to gradient and mix in a couple of colors you like. I think this combo looks really nice. And that's it. That's how you create a glowing blur green text effect in Affinity. I hope you had fun with this one. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!